Well, hello, my fellow modelers. Yes, you actually get to see something other than my hands. I was just going over what one of the community members had asked about, you know, what we use for filming and that sort of thing. And honestly, I'm very basic. I'm just using my Android phone, and that's it. And then I actually steal my son's. He has a little tripod that I'll take from him. I'll ask him. Okay, I ask him to use every now and then. And then I do have a little. Well, how about if I just show you? All right, 1 second, please. So, hopefully, I'll try not to get too shaky here. So this is where I do a lot of the filming. I have these little. They're just all they are is canvases for painting, and they come with this nice little. I just leave the plastic on because it gives it a nice little sheen to it. And then over here, I have a little section where I'm doing the Hot Wheels, and a lot of custom Hot Wheels, and I'm just really getting into those lately. I'm not entirely sure why, but I just really enjoy the darn little things. So let me back up here, and then you can see I've got them everywhere. So I am actually down in my basement. This is my model room down in the basement, which I've never had one before. We've lived in this house now for about almost 2 years, and this is the first time I've ever had anything like this, and I gotta tell you, I freaking love it. It's really nice having your own room where I can just come down and veg a little bit, work on my models. So let me show you around a little bit more. I'm gonna, trying not to pan too fast over here. So these are just a lot of the unbuilt kits I have. And then this shelf holds a lot of the older ones. And then I've got a kind of a small old Hot Wheels collection. I've got a bunch more in a box. And then these are the ones, some of them I built, some of them I'm gonna build. There's the big rod that needs to be put together. This plane is actually, I did not build this. This is actually one I found in a store where her husband had passed away, and he had a hobby shop, and she was slowly turning it back into just a regular store, but she had all these hanging from the ceiling, and so I bought a couple of them. I thought this one was really cool just because the rocket shooting out of it. I tend to keep the bigger models down there, and then just another shelf for some of the built ones and the unbuilt ones, mostly the older, some of the older kits. Got a so there's another one. So down here, these are all models that I'm actually going to build. They're in a state of flux right now in various conditions. But I do plan on building all of these as much as I can. Like I think this is one I just picked up, along with some of these. This is you may have seen the short on this, where this was just in pieces, and I put it all back together. Now I'm kind of sanding it down. This one, this 55, may be a loss. Actually, it's 57. I don't know what they were doing on this one, but they totally tore the rear fins off. So I'm not sure if that one's savable, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's see what else I got over here. This is where I keep a lot of just the parts. I also have parts bins underneath the table, but these are the ones I get into the most because it's the motors. I'll keep like sandpaper down here, a lot of the wiring right there, and then my decals all go in there. And so this shelf right here is real special to me. This is just a lot of the older toys and models we built. So this plane here was the one that me and my son built. Gosh, it's been about 5 years ago, 5 or 6 years ago. And this was the first model he built, and the first one I built after getting back into it again. And this is what catapulted me into getting back into this again, was that plane right there. I had a blast building it with him, and it just brought back so many memories. It was just awesome. This is the first boat he built. That's just trophy for, I was a head coach for a couple years with my other son. This is another boat that my son built. The Star Wars is actually my wife's stuff, believe it or not. And that case is full of them. Has all the, and because, she was a girl, it's all in excellent condition. So, okay, hold on. I'm going to sit you guys down and I'll be right back. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Enjoyed my model room. So showing you my stash. Thanks again, guys, and I really appreciate. The camera started to fall. Man, I see. Now this is one thing that I need to get a new one, which is a new tripod. This one's getting a little old, so. So anyway, my name's Jerry, and I'm signing off, and I'll talk to you guys later. See you later.